kinase. So it is a chemical which is produced by a bacteria called Streptococcus. So this streptokinase will be used as a clot buster, means it gonna dissolve the clots which is present in the blood. So how it gonna help us? Suppose a person who is suffering from a diseases such as myocardial diseases, he will be having problem with the circulation of the blood because of the clots present in it. So with the help of this streptokinase drug, we can digest or dissolve these clots which will give a proper blood flow to the patient. So it means it's gonna prevent the heart attacks, because if a person is having clots in his blood, it will obviously reduce the flow of blood to the heart. So when the blood flow is decreased, means it will lead to a condition called heart attack. So with the help of the streptokinase, we can prevent the heart attack at some cases. So another bioactive molecule here is a cyclosporin A. So this cyclosporin A will act as a immunosuppressive agent in case of a recently organ transplanted patients. So this will be produced by a fungus called Trichoderma polysporum. So this will produce the cyclosporin A, which will act as a immunosuppressive agent. Last but not least, the important bioactive molecule here is statins. So this statins is produced from a yeast called Monascus purpureus. So from this, we are going to extract the statins, which will act as an inhibitor to prevent the growth of this cholesterol in the body. It means it's going to reduce the levels of this cholesterol in the blood. So what happens when there is more cholesterol in the blood? It will increase the obesity conditions, and it also causes some myocardial diseases. So with the help of the statins, we can control the levels of this cholesterol in the blood by inhibiting the enzyme which will produce the cholesterol.